Hello friends, so today we are solving this problem, find the closest palindrome. So one string is given to us. This string has only digits, okay, and we have to find the closest substring, which is also the palindrome. So for example, 123 is the string given to us. Then we have to return 121 because this is the nearest palindrome string. Similarly, there could be multiple answer as well. Let's say at the equal distance, which is close at distance. If there are multiple palindromic string, we have to return the smallest one. For example, if we have like 1 is the string that is given to us, then 0 is the one palindromic string and 2 also a palindromic string. Both are at a distance of 1 and 1. In this case, we have to return the smallest one. So 0 would be the answer. So let's take some more complex example to explore it more. So yeah, for example, this is one substring. So we can have one palindromic substring like this. If we write 1, 2, 5 and 2, 1, right? This is also a palindromic substring. But there could be some more as well. For example, there could be 1, 2, 4, 2, 1. This is also a palindromic substring. There could be one more example, like there could be 1, 2, 6, 2, 1. This is also a palindromic substring, right? There could be one more, something like we have like this 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This also might be a palindromic substring. There could be 999 series as well, right? Like 4449. This also could be a palindromic substring. So we don't know that which one would be leading to our answer. We don't know. So we have to find, like in this case, what happened. We got the first half of this substring. Okay. And we got this first half, and because this is a odd number of length. So for that reason, what we did, we made 5 as a fixed one, and then whatever is left side 1, 2, we made it 2, 1. So this becoming a substring, palindromic substring. Similarly, we deduct from 125, we deduct -1. So it become 124. Now see here, this is also a palindromic substring after deducting 1. Similarly, we add 1, we did +1. So it became 126. So 126 and 2, 1 we appended. So this is also a palindromic substring. And we also have these 101 series, right? We have 101, we have 10001, like that. These are also palindromic substring. Similarly, we have 99 series. We can have 9, we can have 99, we can have 999. So basically, why I'm listing down all of them? Because any one of them could lead to answer depending upon what is the input. So once we will list down all these string, like first with the original first half, then with the -1, then +1, then this 1001 series, then 99 series, and then we have to find which one is giving the closest answer for us. For example, in this case, if we look 126 to 1, this is giving us the difference of 43, right? This is giving 43. This guy is giving 57. If we make a difference with this original string, if we make 125.78 minus this, it is giving 57. This is giving absolute difference as 43. This is giving as 157, right? And these values are further larger, right? In this case. So here 43 is the smallest. That means 12621 should be our answer. This guy. This should be our answer. 12621 should be in this case our answer. So we don't know. So we have to generate the list of these kind of 5 substrings which are palindromic substring, and then we will find the absolute difference of them, and that would be our answer. So let's go ahead with the our approach. So as you can see here, 12578, this is my string, and its length is n equal to 5. That means it is odd. So if it is odd, right, then we will take our first part as the this thing, substring of starting from 0 to n by 2 plus 1. If it is odd, right, then our first would be this. So what it would be, n equal to 5, so 5 divided by 2, so 0 to 3. So substring starting from here and ending at here, this will give us 125, right? And similarly, if it was an odd even number, let's say one more number is something like 9 was there, in that case what would happen, even would be starting from 0 to n by 2, so 6 by 2, this would be 3. So in that case for even we would have taken, so anyway because we have taken an odd value, so we will solve it for odd. Okay, so see here, this would be our first which we are passing. So what we did in this time, we are passing first as it is. There was one more value when we passed it with -1, right? We did a -1, so this will give, in that case we will pass 124. We will did a +1 as well. For +1 we will pass 126, right? And there would be a method which will take these values and odd type or even type, that's a boolean. This method basically return our string. So let's first look for that, what that method is and how it would work. So see here, initially it was 125, this also 125, then it become 12. Okay, because we did this, because this is odd number, so we did first by 10, then we are going inside it, answer would become 1252, and first would become then 1, right? Then we would again come here at this while loop, so it is still greater than 0, it is 1, right? So answer would be this 12520 plus 1, because here see 1% n would be 1, and first by 10, which is become 0 now. So see here, this is our new value of answer, and our first would become now 0. Now if it will go again here at while loop, this will not come into it. So 12521 would be our final answer when we are passing 125. Again we will pass 125 minus 1, we will pass 125 plus 1, so whatever first, so we will do those things as well. So we will store all those answers in a list. Okay, so with 125 we got 12521, right? So 12521, this is one of our answer when we passed 125. Now let's go for -1. So it would be, first would be 124, right? So in case of 124, what it would be, answer would be same method would be used. So it would give us 12421, right? This will go 12421. Similarly, when we do +1 here, then this will be passed as 126, right? So in case of 126, what would be the answer? The answer would be 12621, right? So all of these three would be our palindromic potential. These could be the answer as well based upon the absolute difference. Now we are done with these values, first half updation. Now we have few more things. You guys knows that there might be the two more possibilities of being a palindromic substring. You know that we have 9, 999, 999, 49. This is also a series of palindromes, right? So there could be a possibility that some number is close to them. So let's say if we want to generate the 99 series for this same example. So how to generate that? To generate that 9 or 99 or 999, okay, in this case, for example, let's say 10 is the value, or let's say whatever it is value, take this example itself. So how to generate these 99 values? To generate these, what we have to do, we have to get the power of 10 equal to whatever length of this string minus 1. So 5 minus 1, 10 to the power 4 minus 1, what it would be. So this will give us like 1000 minus 1. So this will give 4 times 9. Okay, so this would be another value, 9, 9, 9 and 9. So this method is different. These methods were coming with the first part, but this is to 99 series. We have to go in this way, 10 to the power length minus 1 minus entire 1. And similarly we have one more thing. We have the 100, 101 approach, right? Those guys are also the palindromic only. For example, we have 101, we can have 1001, right? 1001. Similarly, So this series also could be one of the potential answers. So what to do here? To achieve this thing, what we have to do, we have to make the power of 10 to the whatever its length. Okay, so 10 to the power 5 plus 1. Okay, so what it would be? It would be something like 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 and 1. This is also a palindromic number, 1 0 0 0 0 1. Now we got these 5 different palindromes. Now you might have a question that why we did only for -1 for first part, because we are looking for the closest one, so we are not going beyond palindromics. Okay, so now if we make a difference with this number, suppose this number is n. Okay, so if we do 1 2 5 7 8 minus this, we have to find the absolute difference with all of them, and whoever would be giving us the smallest value, that would be our answer. So for example, if we deduct 125 7 8 minus 125 2 1, what it would give? It would give 57. Okay, so first part is giving us 57. So far this should be our answer. Now come here, 1 2 4 2 1, this will give us 157. Okay, so anyway, so far 57 is only smallest. Now come to here, if we make absolute difference, 1 2 6 2 1 minus 1 2 5 7 8, this is giving us 43. Okay, so this is again a further new smaller. So far our new value would be this guy, 1 2 6 2 1. Now we will go further, we are coming this 999. So this difference is way ahead of these already occurred 43, right? So this cannot be our answer. Similarly, this answer is also going in thousands of tenth of thousands, so this also cannot be answer. So the 143 is the smallest absolute difference, which is coming with this value, 12621. So this should be our answer. So this is what we are doing in our code as well. So let me show you my code. So see here, this is our method where we were modifying the things, right? We were passing the first, and we were passing whether it is odd or even. So if it is odd, initially we assign this long answer equal to first. I am checking this as long because this might be a very huge value. So to avoid any overflow, I am taking it long type. So see here, if it is odd type, then we are removing the this character, rightmost character, because that would not be repeated. So that is why I am dividing by 10, just the way we did it. Now see here, while first is greater than 0, we are just making answer equal to answer into 10 plus first remainder 10. And finally, we would have this answer, which will give us the reversed value, right? 15251, like that. So this would be the method which we would be using here. Now come here. This is our main method. So first of all, we are getting the length of them. Then we are finding till up to what location, if it is odd, if it is see here, if it is an even, then this would be our end part of where our substring would be stopped. Otherwise it would be len by 2, and see here we are getting the substring accordingly. So now we are making one array list to park all these values, right? We just created all these 5 values. We have to park in some list so that we can later compare them. So for that reason, I am making this array list, and I am adding all these values. See here, we are using this method, get modified. Initially we did for first, then we did for first minus 1, then for first plus 1. So we got these first 3 values, right? These 3 first values. Then we will look for the 99 series and 1001 series, right? So see here, we are making here the 99 series. So 10 to the power length minus 1 minus overall 1. And similarly for 1001 series, what we are doing, 10 to the power length plus 1. Now these would be all 5 possible potential substring which are palindromic. Now we have to find which has the least absolute difference with the original string. Okay, so see here, we will go down a bit. Now here we are traversing through our array list where we stored all our answers. See here, so we are passing through all the values of in the array list, and here I am getting the absolute difference with original one. So see here, if the current substring which is stored in our array list, if it is equal to the original string, then there is no point, we have to keep continue. And see here, if the difference is smaller, we have to update it into the this variable, the smallest variable, min variable. And in case if the difference is equal for more than one substrings, in that case we have to pick the minimum one. And finally I am returning this long dot to string, so I am converting it to string and returning it. So let me execute my code. My code is executing fine. Let me try to submit it. I am submitting it. Yeah, so it is 97.99 faster. So thank you for watching this video. If you guys have any concern, please make a comment over there. Thank you.